Hello everyone, it's me, Ziblets. Today we're gonna review this mustek camcorder that I found while I was in a storage. But like this camcorder just feels so cheap. Look, like hear it. Look at that. Just so the materials. Anyways, let's just turn this on. See, it's in video mode. I don't know, I'm using a GoPro. I don't think I can even focus. So, see, it's right there. And it's in the lowest quality. But like, we're gonna check it out anyways. Right? So we're gonna test it with this EV plush. It cost me $400, and I think it's worth it. But anyways, let's just go and test this out in economy mode. Alright guys, so here is my EV. It is very squishy, and that's pretty much it for economy mode on this mustek cheap camcorder thing. Who knows? Later. Well, that camera quality was it was pretty bad. Oh my god, it's just so bad. Like I can't even see anything. Whatever. So now we're just gonna put it on normal quality. Maybe it might be better. Who knows? Later. Alright. This is the normal quality. Look. Here's another view. Look at that. It's a cool view. It was made by Takara Tomy. It's a very cool plush, and I spent 2 years trying to find this plush. Very cool. Okay, so after viewing the normal quality, it like kind of still looked like the lowest quality. This thing is just so bad. Like there was camcorders better than this. I mean, I think this was just like a cheap alternative. Who knows? I mean, whatever. Let's just go and turn on the fine mode. Alright guys, here we have fine quality. Doesn't look so fine to me for now. The screen is literally lagging for me. Alright, here's my EV. It looks gray on the screen. Look at this tag. Can you even zoom? I think it has the ability to zoom. Yep, there we go. Yeah. Oh well. Well, that's it for fine quality. Well, fine mode still looks like the lowest quality still. But like the colors are just getting discolored. I mean, it kinda has more resolution, but like I don't see anything. Everything's just gray. Oh well. But this thing has also a camera function. Yeah, that's right. We're not done yet. We're not yet done yet with this camera. Look at this. No. That sound effect. Sounds like Super Mario 64. Whatever. Right here, we're in I think it's economy photos. Look how much. This is what a 2 GB SD card can make you have. 30,000 photos. That's wild right there. Anyways, let's just go take a picture of my EV. Later. Okay, so after viewing the pictures, it kinda looks the same for normal and fine quality. That economy one, it's just like a small picture. I just don't get this camera. I mean, it also has a microphone function, but somehow it just boot loops somehow. It just doesn't want to make me get in the microphone. Oh well. I guess that's it for reviewing this mustek camcorder. Maybe you can, like, I don't know, do it for projects. I mean, it's if you want to get like that low quality type of stuff, then I don't know, this camera might actually be for you, I guess, because it's just so crisp, or I don't know, just like crusty or whatever. But anyways, that's all for this video. Make sure to like comment, subscribe, and what every single other YouTuber does, says. But anyways, I won't waste any of your time. Goodbye.